No, it's like right here. See?
Okay. We're in this abandoned school, man. Okay, let's see.
Oh shit!
What will we find?
What will we find?
Let's see.
Let's read that comment.
Smart people. What is that, blood? Billy. Who's Billy? Fail. Okay.
Wait.
A garbage bag. This school is dirty.
It's not even school.
What will we find here? No way. Okay.
This shit's cool.
What's in here? Okay, let's check. Let's go this way.
Wait.
What is this?
Bathroom?
A bathroom. What's behind the bathroom? What is this?
There's no mirror. Just ask people.
No soap. Does the water even work?
Turn it.
How do we know if this is hot or cold?
The world may never know.
I guess not. Okay.
You're very retarded, though.
Okay.
Why have to see my brothers?
I think we went in here, right? Yeah. Where are your brothers?
They're in clothing alley.
Okay, what's in here? Oh, computers. I remember when computers were this bad.
They have TV. What else do they have? Garbage.
Oh wow, this is crazy. Let's go back. Chill, bro.
Well, they never know. Oh, protector. That's a protector.
It's broken. Ooh. Okay. This is getting boring. Ooh, a classroom. A phone number. Ooh la la. Oops.
More chalk.
What's in here?
That looks weird.
Okay, there's nothing in here. Stop cursing. Stop kicking me.
Oh look! Someone's made a doo-doo.
Someone's smoking. Ew.
You need to shake your back. Mad Harry.
What's in here? Didn't we go in here already?
No.
No.
No. Not
Well,
that.
it looks like every other classroom.
Right. We didn't go
in
here.
here?
Oh god, I like.
How many years have people not been here? I mean, look at this. It's missing a side. Oh shit, that's gonna come up. Look at it. Turn it off. I'm out. Let's go.
If it breaks, oh my god. No, throw it at it.
It won't stop.
No, it's weird.
I can't, it's broken. Okay. If I touch it, it falls on my head. I'm gonna scream. I can't reach. Oh, let's go.
No, Dad, you're gonna find that pretty out.
I
No.
can't. I can't reach.
It's not gonna fall unless you pull.
Okay, it's stopping on its own. I hope it doesn't break. Okay. What's your problem? Leave it alone, don't touch it. Shit.
You copied my
Okay.
before there.
I think there's like one more classroom left.
There's an exercise. Hear that bell?
Oh. Not interesting. Let's go. Oh, what's in here? An office.
Ew.
The boys' bathroom. Oh,
Dirty. Looks like the slam.
Oh, there you go.
There we go. Let's zoom in. Oh, I want to push right now. Ooh, a water fountain that does not work.
We don't even know where we are.
Let's go to the other side.
I think we should go down through the other side, not here.
No, it's chicken. You're not scared.
Okay, let's run. Ready?
No, fuck you. No, that. Run if you leave me out of the
There's a lot of like. I can't see anything. What the hell?
Dirty.
Is there cameras here?
No. They don't work no more. Oh, look. Sit down. Let's go back.
What is this?
Yo, how many stairs do this crap have?
I don't even remember where we came from.
Oh, God.
Should I start a second video?
No, the what the hell is in there?
What's in here? Open the door. It's stuck. Got it.
Go inside.
No, you're funny. You're gonna lock me in there.
No, you can actually come in. Come in.
And that door's like all broken already. What's in here?
This goes. Oh, look, that's the time. It's 5 o'clock. Look at the time. It actually works.
At least something works in this building. What's in
There's
here?
a ghost in here. Ah!
This is kind of creepy.
Kind of.
What?
Ooh,
Another
a
bathroom.
public bath. No, private bathroom.
Ew, let's look at ourselves. Hi.
Let's go. Dummies.
Dummies.
Oh, let's see that book.
Okay, I'm only gonna let it go up to 7 and 30 seconds.
Start a new video.
Hold on. Okay.